equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively remove the hard drive from your HP all-in-one. First, power down your computer and unplug it from the wall. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, place the computer on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, you should see the internal components of your HP AIO. Locate the hard drive, which is typically housed in a metal bracket. You may need to disconnect any cables attached to it. Carefully unplug the SATA and power cables from the hard drive. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Next, remove the screws securing the hard drive in its bracket. These are usually Phillips screws, so your screwdriver will come in handy here. Once the screws are out, gently slide the hard drive out of the bracket. Take a moment to inspect the hard drive for any visible damage or wear. Now, it's time to clean the internal area of your HP AIO. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is essential for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your device. If you're unsure about cleaning it yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. After cleaning, if you plan to replace the hard drive, simply reverse the steps. Insert the new hard drive into the bracket, secure it with screws, and reconnect the SATA and power cables. Ensure everything is tightly connected to avoid any issues when powering on the device. Before reassembling the back panel, double-check that all components are securely in place. If you're feeling uncertain at any point, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Plug your computer back in and power it on. If everything has been done correctly, your HP AIO should boot up smoothly with the new hard drive. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services are designed to make your tech experience as seamless as possible, with no calls and no travel required. This concludes our tutorial on extracting a hard drive from an HP all-in-one. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.